The hype around the Samsung S25 Edge is fueled by a combination of rumored innovations and Samsung's track record for pushing the boundaries of smartphone design. One of the main aspects generating buzz is its unique edge design. Samsung is expected to refine the curved display technology further, offering not only an eye-catching look, but also potential ergonomic benefits and new ways to interact with notifications and apps. Rumors suggest that this may include enhanced color vibrancy, improved durability for the gently curved corners, and even creative use cases where the Edge can display dynamic shortcuts, giving users a more immersive and customizable experience. On the performance side, early whispers hint at a next-generation processor, possibly an iteration of Qualcomm's Snapdragon or Samsung's own Exynos, that promises faster processing speeds, improved AI capabilities, and enhanced energy efficiency. Combined with potential upgrades in camera technology, like higher megapixel sensors and revamped computational photography features, the S25 Edge could deliver stunning image quality in challenging conditions. Additionally, advances in battery technology and charging speed could round out the package, making the device not only a visual and performance powerhouse, but also a practical tool for power users. In essence, while a lot of the excitement is driven by marketing and pre-release speculation, the expected improvements in design, processing power, and camera technology suggest that the hype could indeed be justified for early adopters and tech enthusiasts hungry for the next leap in mobile technology. However, whether these upgrades feel revolutionary or simply iterative will ultimately depend on individual user expectations and how the final product performs in real-world conditions. Thanks for joining us as we explored the hype surrounding the Samsung S25 Edge. From its innovative edge design to its performance breakthroughs, we've uncovered what makes this device a potential game changer in smartphone tech. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Is the hype justified? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description for more detailed reviews. Catch you next time.